happens when two of the most iconic 90s teams collide. Turtle Power meets Morphin Time in Boom Studios' epic crossover. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles meets the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. It all starts when Tommy, the Green Ranger, goes undercover. But not with the Power Rangers. With the Foot Clan. The Turtles think he's the enemy. The Rangers think he's gone rogue. And chaos erupts. Leonardo versus Jason. Raphael versus Zack. Shredder steals a Morpher and becomes the Green Ranger himself. You heard that right. Shredder, Morph, and Deadly. The Turtles and Rangers are forced to team up. Training side by side. Swapping weapons, and even morphing themselves. Yep. The Ninja Turtles become Power Rangers. Shells, spandex, Zords, it's bonkers. And awesome. Together, they take on Shredder, Rita Repulsa, and a wave of monsters in downtown mayhem. It's nostalgia, action, and pure fan service at its best. If you ever argued over who'd win in a fight, this comic settles it in style. Cowabunga meets Dragon Zord, and it's glorious.